Papa cross 9 west, Lima, 0.75, 035
438, traffic 2.5 out, cross runway 9 right, then turn left on November.
Last 9 right, left on November, Delta 2438.
Southwest 9012, turn left on November, hold short of Papa.
Left and order, hold short of Papa, Southwest 9012. Denver 301, disregard traffic.
Departure, good night.
Good night, man. We'll check 1597.
Turn one out of left, Joe Lima, 0.75.
Going across flight, 9 left on Lima, 0.75, the other side, Delta 2661.
Plus 1971 at Papa, cross one out of left, Joe Lima, 0.75.
Cross line of Papa, Joe Lima, 0.75, 1971.
Delta 2438 at Papa, cross one out of left, Joe Lima, 0.75.
Outside left of Papa, Delta 25, Delta 1.
Departure for Delta 1094. Delta 1094, yes, sir. Good night, departure. Good night, thanks. Left, second up. Take off the right around left. Southwest 66, full speed, running down, right, long place.
Stay right, right up away, Southwest 66.
Tower 11708, runway 8 left for land.
1000.
2684 company in November 2 is going to follow you.
Delta 2684, roger.
Left 3514 and pop across the one on the left. Go Lima, 0.75.
And Papa Cross 9 West, Lima, 0.75, 3514.
438, traffic 2.5 out, cross going on the right, so turn left on November. South 9012, turn left on November, hold short pop.
Left door, hold short pop, 912. Denver 3601, this is our traffic.
500.
Good, and pushing 60
400. Approaching minimums.
Across flight, 9 left on, Lima, 0.75.
300 minimums.
1971 and pop across going on the left, go Lima, 0.75.
200.
Last line of Papa Joy Lima, 0.75, Airline 1971.
Double 2438 at pop
100.
across going on the left, go Lima, 0.75.
50. 30. Retard. 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 Retard.
Takeoff 8 right, Aeronave, rounding in 7557. Southwest 5614, on a tower, 8 right, line up and wait.
8 right, line up and wait, Southwest 5614.
Up 23 and 38, taxi 5.
Taxi 0, Blue, up 30.
Takeoff. that hotel. Delta 1971 Romeo 3, cross runway 9 right, turn left on November behind the company.
Cross 9 right, join November behind company Airbus Delta 1971.
Delta 2684 company at November 2 is going to follow you.
Delta 2684, roger.
And Delta 3514 at Papa Cross runway 9 left, join Lima, 0.75.
And Papa Cross 9 west, Lima, 0.75, Delta 3514.
438, traffic 2.5 out, cross runway 9 right, then turn left on November.
Southwest 9 right, left on November, Delta 2438.
Southwest 9012, turn left on November, hold short of Papa.
Left and order, hold short of Papa, Delta 912.
Clear for takeoff, Southwest 5614. Delta 503 on Ontario, runway right, line up and wait. Hey, right, line and wait, Delta 5.
Left on November behind Southwest.
Romeo 3, cross 9 right.